Let's build our own web browser using ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT and then type "Build a web browser using Python and Qtpy" and press enter. Now, ChatGPT is saying that we need Python installed, and also we need to install some modules like Qtpy and Qt Web Engine, which I have already installed on my computer. You can install it using the pip command. Now our code is ready. Let's copy and paste this code into our browser.py file. Now save this file and then run this using the command python browser.py. And in a few seconds, our private browser window will open. Here it is. Look at this, guys, our private browser. Let's maximize the window. This is a simple browser with 100% privacy. No one can steal our usage statistics. Let's try searching Qtpy, and this is a response from Google. Let's click the first link, pypy.org, the official website. But we are missing something. We don't have back, forward, or refresh buttons. Also, we don't have a URL search bar. Let's ask ChatGPT to modify our code. Add some functionality like go back and forward button, refresh button, and the URL bar. And now ChatGPT is modifying our code, which will be ready in a few seconds. Okay then, our code is ready. Let's copy and paste this code into our browser.py file. Now save this file and then run this using the command python browser.py. Now, this is a new version of our browser. Note that you'll need to create the icons folder and include the icon images for the back, forward, and reload buttons. In my case, I've not created the icon folder, which is why buttons are there, but icons are not showing. But let's check if the buttons are working properly. Let's search for Python. Now click on the first link, which is the official website of Python. Let's click the back button, and we are on the previous page. Let's click on the forward button, and boom, we are back to the Python website. Just like any other browser, these buttons are working fine. Let's try searching in the search bar for YouTube, and it will open the YouTube homepage. You can also add some other functionality like a new tab button, settings, zoom in or zoom out, and different menus. That's it. We build this simple web browser using ChatGPT in less than 2 minutes. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video, and don't forget to press the like button.